The Journey Beyond Humanity. 10. Key Concepts of Posthumanism. Imagine a world where humans are no longer limited by their biological bodies, where your mind could be uploaded to the cloud and you could interact with the world through an artificial body, or maybe even without a physical body at all. In that world, the boundaries between humans and machines, between biology and technology, between self and other, become blurred. This is the vision that posthumanism is drawing for us. 1. Information over physical form. Posthumanism believes that the value of a being lies in its informational pattern, not in its physical form. This means that instead of seeing the biological body as unique and necessary, posthumanism values the ability to exist in any form, whether as a robot in a virtual world or as pure data. Example: think of a USB drive storing a book. Whether the book is printed on paper or exists as a PDF file, the content, the informational pattern, remains the same. Similarly, posthumanism suggests that you could exist in a different body or even in a computer and still maintain your essence. 2. Redefining the self. In the past, people often thought of themselves as independent individuals with clear boundaries from the world around them. However, posthumanism sees the self as diverse and spread out. Instead of existing only in one physical body, the self can stretch across many different networks, from the real world to the digital world. Example: on social media, you might have different versions of yourself. Your Instagram account might show your artistic side, while your LinkedIn profile presents you as a serious professional. Posthumanism takes this even further, suggesting you could truly live through these digital selves. 3. Criticizing humanism and anthropocentrism. Humanism often puts humans at the center of the universe, suggesting that humans are the highest beings. But posthumanism criticizes this idea, suggesting that humans are just one part of a larger ecosystem and do not have the right to dominate other living things or exploit nature recklessly. Example: instead of viewing animals merely as food or resources, posthumanism encourages us to consider animal rights and ecological balance, seen in movements like animal protection and veganism. 4. Breaking down dualisms. Posthumanism breaks apart strict opposites like human-machine, natural-artificial, male-female. Instead, it values hybridity and connection between different beings. Example: cyborgs, beings that are part human, part machine, are a vivid example. A person with an artificial heart or using virtual reality, VR, is not just human or machine, but a blend of both. 5. Technology as a gateway to new possibilities. Posthumanism doesn't see technology as just a tool, but as a new way of being. It opens up new horizons for existence, understanding, and connection. Example: with VR technology, you can exist in a different world without leaving your room. Or with artificial intelligence, you can communicate and learn from beings that do not have biological bodies. 6. Embracing hybridity. The posthuman world doesn't believe in purity or originality. Instead, it celebrates all kinds of mixtures, from culture to technology and biology. Example: projects that combine human DNA with other species to create new medicines or enhance human abilities are great examples. A person with high-tech implants is not only human, but also part of a new evolution. 7. Challenging speciesism. Posthumanism opposes discrimination between species. It argues that not only humans, but all living beings have value and the right to exist. Example: instead of testing cosmetics on animals, many companies are switching to using biological simulations or artificial cells to protect animals. 8. Recognizing otherness, alterity. Posthumanism values listening to and respecting different voices, whether they come from marginalized human groups or even from artificial intelligence. Example: AI chatbots can offer new perspectives and help humans understand how non-human systems think. 9. Re-evaluating ethics. Posthumanism calls for a reconsideration of ethics in this new context, where technology and nature are deeply intertwined. Example: creating artificial humans or superintelligent AI requires us to think about new rights and responsibilities, such as whether an AI has the right to freedom. 10. Rethinking the body. Finally, posthumanism challenges traditional ideas about the body. Instead of seeing the body as a fixed entity, it views the body as a platform that can be upgraded, modified, and transformed. Example: with the development of gene editing technology, like CRISPR or biotechnology, humans can change their eye color, improve health, or even extend their lifespan. In conclusion, posthumanism opens the door to a future full of possibilities but also full of challenges. It requires us to expand our imagination, break old boundaries, and face new ethical questions. Are we ready to move beyond the limits of humanity? Or will we hold tightly to what is familiar? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the future will be very different. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. At Post-Human Horizon, we're exploring the boundaries of technology, humanity, and the future of our species. Join us as we dive deeper into the world of post-humanism, where the lines between biology and technology blur and where the future holds limitless possibilities. Let's continue this journey towards a new era of human evolution together. See you in the next video.